Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're here again with another Boxycharm unboxing. So this is what my January box is, my first box for 2023. So if you want to see what I got in my Boxycharm, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so again we're gonna talk about my Boxycharm. Let's see what's in this Boxycharm. I don't know. So it's the base box. Yeah. So my first product, oh actually let's take that off, because I always take that off because I don't want to see the price before I actually start doing my makeup or just messing with it. So the first item is this brush. This is actually from Soleil. You know what this is? This means like sun. It's sun. Soleil is sun in French. It's a mini heat brush, and it just the sage is apricot. It kind of looks like so. I actually have, this is the third brush that I'm getting from Boxycharm. That's the exact same brush. I have one. I gave one to my daughter, and I'm gonna send this one down to my, to the Caribbean for my niece. What's up with that, Boxycharm? Like literally, why are you resending me products? Okay. Our other product is from Touching Soul, and it's a waterfall glow cream. So I'm guessing it's it's a moisturizer. It's a moisturizer. Let's use this. I like it. Ooh, I like how it feels. It's like really cooling. But these products, I'm not even, I can't say, hey, this is gonna be great, because it all depends on how it like works out. Like so. It feels good though, very moisturizing. I have to drink water because I'm fasting and I can't really drink soda or anything like that. I don't usually drink soda, but sometimes, like now that I can do it, then I'm like feeling for it. Okay, and the other product is from, it's a deep brow gel from ABH. I actually do have this already too. Like, I think I have like 2 or 3 shades somewhere. I don't even really use them. I don't even like, I usually use like a pomade or something. So yeah, my sister will get this because she likes to do like a quick thing on her brow, and I think this will work nice and perfect for her. So she'll get that. So that's what, 3 products. We only have 2 more products to go. The other product that I have on here is from Angel Eyes, and it is a shadow primer. So I will use that to prime my eyeshadow. Is there any shade? I like eyeshadow primer that actually has like a color, if that makes sense. Ooh, but this is dark. So it does have a shade, but Lord. Like, you see how dark this is? I like it lighter than that because I want my shadow to pop. And I don't see that in there. I don't see my shadow like, really popping. We'll see though, we'll see. I'm trying to find a brush to just blend this. Just blend it. Oh, we can use this. This is actually from, it's just a concealer brush, and then I'm just gonna tap it on here. I don't know, it does have some color, but I feel like this is really dark. But that's kind of how I feel like when I get like stuff like that from Boxycharm, like the primer, or if it's a concealer. I feel like they never really match me. Like it matches, but it's just like, it's literally my shade. I don't know. I like how I'm just like using this, because I'm gonna use this for my eyeshadow look, I guess. If there's, well, whether there's a palette or not, I'm just gonna use it. Or I'm gonna do a look, obviously. Okay, so we're gonna let that dry and just kind of move on. And then last but not least, we have a blush. It's from Shanae or Shine B Miami. I guess that's the shade Miami. It's Brickle Cream Brush or Brickle. And looks like so. The component is pretty cute. The shade looks like this. I can tell you. I don't know. Like, look at this. This just disappeared. Like where's the blush? Where is it? Like, it's gone. So I am hesitant to even try this. So yeah, that is all the products. So there's no eyeshadow palette. Okay, Boxycharm, we're not going to get start in 2023, but you know what? It is what it is. So I'm actually gonna do a quick look, so I'm so annoyed. Like, I literally, like, the products were like not product in. Let me see, because I want to use something from Urban Decay, but I need a base. Actually, I'm gonna use this shade right here called Unbridled, and this is in the Vigorously palette from Makeup by Yolondo. I don't know. So this is a T50 from Makeup Shack. And then I'm just gonna put this all over my lid. I don't know, that base is very, very greasy. I didn't even like I know I don't have a greasy lid, because sometimes I'm like, oh my god, my lid is really dry. Not this time. This time I feel like the shadow just like crumble up one place. I don't know. I don't like this base. Cause I don't like this base. I feel like it's just like sliding the eyeshadow. Like, it is terrible. Guys, that base is very, very, very slippery. It's like it's just sliding. I don't know what it's doing. I'm so disappointed in this.
I mean, whoever planned this stunt was smoking a lot of jazz cabbage. I'll tell you that much.
That's pretty obvious.
Looking good, Vanisher.
Okay, so let's go ahead and go through my Boxycharm. Let's go through. So my phone would unlock. There was a delay. So our first item product stuff is from ABH, which is that brow gel. It's $20. I did not use that. Again, I have this. I have like a couple different shades. It's okay. Not my favorite thing. I like the brow frizz though, but not that. So let's move on to the moisturizer, which was from Church and Soul. It was a Pretty Filter Waterfall Glow Cream. I actually really liked how that made me feel. So it was like greasy but not, or moisturizing but not greasy. It was just, I guess maybe because it's water based, I guess. Yeah, I really like how it felt. I will definitely be using that again. And let's jump into, oh, and that's $38. I don't know how much that brush cost, because again, this is my first time getting it, and it is from Soleil here too, and it is $150. So, and then we have that primer. I hate it. I hate that eye primer. It literally makes your lid like a greasy mess. So you put it on, I let it dry, and it just, my shadow just slides. Like, it is terrible. I hate it. I don't like it. And that is $22. So it says it's a hydrating eye primer that locks in your shadow and concealer for crease proof. No smudge wear for up to 16 hours. But The thing is though, so I get that it's hydrating, but it slides all over the place. So how is that like? It's a mess. And then last but not least was the blush, which I also hate. Like it did nothing for me, like literally nothing, and that was $18. So it said this ultra velvety cream brush gives you a natural looking flush. Nothing. I guess if you're super pale maybe, but for me it did absolutely nothing. So my total for my box is $248. I think I paid like $27 and change. To be honest, this box was very disappointing. It was very, very underwhelming. I got 5 products. I could really only use like 2 products. 2 products was like one I already had, one was a repeat. The one I already have is not necessarily their fault, you know, I already had it. But that brush, that's it. That's the 3rd time I'm getting this brush, so I'm like, that is terrible. But yeah, so apart from this, I just feel like the box was like, So yeah, so that's it guys for my January 2023 Boxycharm unboxing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.
Your arms, maybe we could jump back to the start. And you never would talk to me then if we never met, babe. If we never met.